Along with me, I have Shreyas here. Do you think that they should be focusing on BitSat 2025?
No. You are gonna have to be fast in that.
What should they do from now onwards itself to prepare for BitSat 2025?
See, first thing, it's a good thing that you've realized सारा तेरा guesses तुम्हारे थे मैंने
And that was a pretty hectic schedule.
You have a lot of time, so just don't give up. Just don't miss a single day.
How would a day in your life look like?
There's really no point of doing the mock test.
Hi everyone, what's up? I hope you're doing good. I'm Dhruva. I'm one of the co-founders at Fodu Club. And in this video, we will be discussing strategy for BitSat 2025. Along with me, I have Shreyas here. He is a first year computer science student at BITSCOA. He literally answered BitSat some months ago and he was more than excited to.
Yeah, I'm very excited to be here. Good to be here. I'm excited to answer your questions.
So yeah, he was in Fodu Club and he also came in the Fodu meetup. So I was like, सही है, if you want to guide the juniors, let's just make a video about it. There are around 7 to 8 questions जो मैंने compile किए हैं from all our social media, हमारे Instagram पे, YouTube comments में. अभी now you have to answer all of them for your juniors. Okay. How is BITSCOA treating you?
BITSCOA तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा treat कर रहा है, more than I'm worth. But I mean गोवा है तो कोई भी tension आता है, कुछ stress होता है तो it just goes away here. So
okay.
I really like this college personally.
Bagi, how is classes and hostel?
Amazing till now. I mean, I've faced no problems in with any professor, and they've taught very well. And कुछ lectures छोड़ दिया मैंने जाना because of the 0%. Yeah, but ठीक है मतलब I attend math. I like math. So.
Okay, सही है. So you are having fun in college right now. ठीक है. That means probably तुमने जो इतनी मेहनत से तैयारी करी थी for JEE and BitSat, you somewhere inside feel कि hey, I did good by working hard back in the days, so that now I'm able to have this fun life. Maybe I can neglect going to classes. I can take थोड़ा light, take it chill. तो similarly बहुत सारे बच्चे जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं, they want to be in your spot after 1 year, and all of them are either they're droppers or they're in 12th standard. And अभी जैसे JEE के लिए they have around 3 to 4 months left. ठीक है. I don't even know if उनका syllabus complete हुआ है नहीं हुआ है. But because they are asking BitSat related doubts, it means that they want to know about BitSat 2025. But do you think that they should be focusing on BitSat 2025 from now, or what should they be doing right now?
Because your main aim is BitSat right now, I would suggest you give one mock a week or one mock in 2 weeks so that you try to figure out what your capabilities are and how much have you actually covered from the course and how much has the problem solving actually helped you, like all your JEE problem solving in bits. So that will help you in giving an overall idea of how you are doing, and just try to focus on the theory right now. Some chapters might have not been covered. For me, almost 1/4 of my 12th was left at this point. So try to cover that first before you go on specifically for any engineering competitive exam.
Got it. So you were just saying that because BitSat has a different pattern, it's okay to start giving mock maybe like once in 2 weeks अभी से. बाकी वही है कि if you are actually targeting BitSat, it's very good if you can start from now, because obviously for any exam the earlier you start the better. Most of the people generally जो होते हैं वो JEE को focus रखते हैं and then they switch to BitSat if they don't perform well in JEE. But because you've asked these questions, it means that you want to take BitSat seriously. And I think there's no discouragement in that. Please go forward and study for BitSat seriously. I'm definitely sure that अगर अभी से करेंगे बच्चे तो they will get better output as compared to a lot of people who don't take BitSat seriously.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So now that a student knows that they can start preparing for BitSat abhi se, and if they are really serious about it, they actually should. What are the things that they should be doing abhi se? They have 7 to 8 months. It's a lot of time for an exam. What should they do from now onwards itself to prepare for BitSat 2025?
See, first thing, it's a good thing that you've realized that you actually want BitSat only, and that's a really great thing because now you have a lot of time to prepare. You have some syllabus left to cover also, I'm assuming, because there are 4 months left to JEE. Cover that first and try to cover your backlogs along with it. BitSat has 130 whole questions. That's a lot, and just knowing the basics of one chapter can really help you in just getting those extra 3 marks, extra 4 marks, because you might get it wrong. So after completing your syllabus, you can do your coaching modules level 1 questions because they clear your basics. You can do Fodu Club's question bank also. They have really nice questions. I personally bought it and it really helped me, just instill that confidence in myself that, I actually know this chapter. And if you have time, you can do your JEE main PYQs also. Just
basically, you should, now that you know that you want to do BitSat JEE, it's better to not distract yourself with advanced level questions. Just do the level 1 up till the advanced level, mains level basically, and that should be sufficient for BitSat.
So after you've done your questions and you've completed a major portion of your syllabus, you can check out Fodu Club's website, because their mock tests really help you get in that exam temperament, and it's good that you're starting so early on, so you can get used to that pressure that you're going to face in the BitSat exam, because it is you are going to have to be fast in that. So
बहुत प्रेशर होता है, तो एग्जाम टेम्परामेंट
अभी से मॉक टेस्ट करने से बहुत बेनिफिट होगा. तुम उस मेंटालिटी के साथ जाओगे कि हाँ मतलब इतने क्वेश्चंस तो मुझे करके आने हैं, इतने एक्यूरेसी से करना है, सो यू विल बी वेरी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. So when you're done with the mock test, then try to analyze it very thoroughly. A question that you've left, even search for that answer solution, because it may focus on a very basic concept that you haven't maybe studied yet or maybe might have missed. So analyze every mock test thoroughly, because if you don't, then there's really no point of doing the mock test. So to bring that confidence, just look at the solution, practice it once yourself by writing it. And yeah, that should be enough.
Okay, so 1 year ago, even you were in the shoes of the people watching the video right now.
Yeah.
You were preparing for all these entrance exams, JEE, BitSat, अलग-अलग focus था. How would a day in your life look like during a JEE days?
JEE days में the day I used to go to school, मैं सुबह उठता था, बस पकड़ता था वहाँ से. Used to go to school, पूरा 7 to 1 स्कूल ही होता था, तो स्कूल पे ही फोकस कर रहा होता था, दोस्तों से मिल लेता था, चल रहा था बहुत. 1 बजे I used to go directly to coaching. 3 to 7:30 होती थी, 3:30 क्लास स्टार्ट होती थी. I used to reach there by 3. तो मैं वहीं पे ही लंच कर लेता था कोचिंग सेंटर में ही. एंड कोचिंग का पढ़ के आधे घंटे का ब्रेक देते थे बीच में, उसमें भी आई यूज्ड टू रिवाइज द क्लास नोट्स, बिकॉज थोड़ा बीच में जोन आउट हो जाता था मैं क्लास के बीच में. तो जस्ट रिवाइजिंग दैट रियली हेल्प. आधा घंटा जो मिलता था. 7:30 कोचिंग यूज्ड टू एंड, मैं घर आता था, तो मेरा कोचिंग सेंटर भी थोड़ा दूर था. एक्चुअली इट वाज लाइक 45 minutes 1 hour अवे फ्रॉम माई प्लेस. तो आई यूज्ड टू रीच 8:30, आके डिनर करके आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट आधे घंटे में जस्ट रिवाइज दैट क्लास, ताकि वो सॉलिडिफाई हो जाए दिमाग में अच्छे से क्लास. एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू स्लीप.
Okay.
तो मैं जल्दी सो जाता था. By 10:30, 11 every day I used to sleep.
Then that was a pretty hectic schedule. And so in this schedule, you should try to complete your homework. You should try to revise as well as cover backlog if you had any.
So a lot of that I used to cover up in my school time. Whenever I had a free period और मुझे क्लास पसंद नहीं आ रही होती थी, तो वो मैं कर लेता था. मैनेज तो करना ही पड़ता है, लेकिन इट वाज जस्ट मैंने गिव अप नहीं किया. और जो भी उनके DTS के मेरे ट्यूटोरियल शीट्स के लेवल 1s होते थे, वो मैं करके रखता था हमेशा. जो भी वो होमवर्क भी देते थे, वो लेवल 1 लेवल 2 में से देते थे. आई यूज्ड टू मेक श्योर कि लेवल 1 मैंने 2 बार कर रखा हो बिफोर गोइंग टू द क्लास वेयर दे यूज्ड टू डिस्कस दोस शीट्स.
So at the end of your 11th, what was your preparation status?
प्रेपरेशन तो बहुत ही ख़राब थी मेरी एक्चुअली 11th के एंड में. मतलब मुझसे किनेमैटिक्स के भी सवाल नहीं होते थे. तो ईजीएस्ट फिजिक्स चैप्टर, आई कुड नॉट सॉल्व अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन ऑफ दैट. 11th तक आते आते मतलब I started by getting 150 out of 300 when they used to take my chapter wise mocks. 2 चैप्टर का मॉक ले लेते थे हर सब्जेक्ट का, मतलब पूरे उसका JEE मेन पैटर्न का, कि 2 चैप्टर फिजिक्स, 2 केम, 2 मैथ्स. एंड उसमें I started off by getting 150, which I thought was a good score. But then end of 11th तक आते आते that decreased to 115, 120.
Okay.
Which is when I thought that I have to get serious, because 200 plus is what my seniors used to tell me is a good score. If you're getting that much, then that means you're doing right.
Okay.
Like your preparation is good.
Okay, so you were around you were scoring around 110 to 120 range in your mocks, whatever. So yeah, मतलब basically you were almost like an average student.
Definitely.
At that level. So from there to getting CS at BITS, it definitely is a very big jump. So what do you think you did different, or what did you fix in your preparation that helped you to come back on track and actually achieve a great score at JEE and BitSat?
I used to barely practice questions. Like from my workbook, I just did 25-30 questions, and then I just used to leave it and revise the class theory again. So what I did wrong was that I used to revise the class theory again and again and again, but I didn't practice enough. So that was why I fell behind so much, because when you look at a question, you should instinctively know how to do it, what to use, or what type of question it is. But just by doing the class theory, I wasn't able to figure that out. So in 12th, I actually started giving time and putting effort to solving questions and solving them twice if I didn't get them, and also clarifying my doubts from all the coaching my professors.
ठीक है. So in 11th you basically had a theory oriented approach. You used to be happy because you know the theory, but when it came to questions you wouldn't actually know the approach to solve it.
Right.
So
theory,
your entire goal was to change that focus more on question solving and focus more on like actually understanding how questions are solved.
करेक्ट. उसके अलावा तो सोया तो उतना ही था और इट्स जस्ट दैट जितना टाइम मैं उठा था उसमें आई वाज डूइंग समथिंग प्रोडक्टिव. टाइम वेस्ट नहीं कर रहा था मैं,
Time waste नहीं
क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मेरे पास टाइम वेस्ट करने के लिए भी नहीं था. एंड समटाइम्स ऐसा लगता था कि इंस्टा चला लेता हूँ या कुछ भी कर लेता हूँ, सो ही जाता हूँ वापस, चिल कर लेता हूँ, दोस्तों के साथ घूमने चला जाता हूँ. तो ऑल ऑफ दैट आई हैड टू स्टॉप. बट ऑनेस्टली व्हेन आई फेल्ट एग्जॉस्टेड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आफ्टर स्टडीइंग एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स एंड actually doing something, then the next day when I woke up I used to feel better that every day I'm doing something and I think it's gonna add up to.
Baki, I was talking to Shreyas and he told me this one thing that he believes in tukka marna exam mein. So what do you have to say about it? Do you think लोगों को तुक्का मारना चाहिए? तुम्हारी strategy है कोई तुक्का मारने की? Is there any secret?
See, मुझे बहुत पसंद है तुक्का मारना honestly, because when you don't know a question and चार ऑप्शन में से चलो एक भी एलिमिनेट होता है, you kind of have that gut feeling कि ये होगा आंसर. एंड मतलब मैं ऐसे नेगेटिव मार्किंग से ऐसे डरता नहीं हूँ, मतलब एज सच. लोग बहुत होते हैं कि नहीं 130 या 12 बोनस क्वेश्चन साथ 142 करके 90 सॉल्व करने, उसमें से 80 सही हो जाए, 85 सही हो जाए तो हो जाएगा. बट आफ्टर माई बिटसैट एंड जेई प्रेपरेशन एंड वो पूरा दो क्या मतलब मेरा तो एक ही साल का था, एक साल का प्रेपरेशन के बाद आई फेल्ट दैट आई हैड द कॉन्फिडेंस टू अटेम्प्ट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज आई हैड एन ओवरऑल नॉलेज ऑफ द टॉपिक. लाइक अगर कोई कंसेप्चुअल भी क्वेश्चन पूछ ले तो मैं अपना दिमाग लगा के जितना मैंने ही सीखा है, जितना भी कम हो, उतने से भी मेरा सही आंसर निकल सकता है. उतना कॉन्फिडेंस था मेरे पास.
Got it. So basically you try to eliminate as many options as possible. ठीक है, because बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि when they say about tukka or guessing, they think that सबको बी मार्क मारते गए, but that is not really what tukka or guessing means. Guessing actually means जैसे you should know how to take a calculative guess, a calculative risk. You eliminate the options that don't make sense in the answer and then you just मतलब basically मान लो 4 options होते हैं. If you eliminate 2 of them and you definitely know that ये C or D answer नहीं है. If you mark A and B, there's a 50% probability of you getting it right.
Right.
As compared to 25% last time.
Right.
So अपनी probability बढ़ानी है basically of getting an answer right. The goal is not to attempt a question. The goal is to get the probability of getting it right higher.
It's not about marking कि समझ नहीं आया तो C मार्क कर देंगे सबका, वो वाला काम नहीं.
वो नहीं है. But it's more of making a calculative guess. So जैसे I don't know if you all have answered any mock papers, but BITSAT में apart from the 130 questions, if you attempt all the 130 questions, you get 12 bonus questions.
Right.
They get unlocked after you have attempted all the questions. So did you answer the bonus questions?
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Because मैंने मतलब पहले से ही कैलकुलेट करके रखा था कि unless I attempt 100 questions or 105 questions and get 90 of them right, to have a chance of getting a decent score, I would rather just attempt all of them along with the 12 questions that I'm getting.
Okay.
So because from what I had heard at that time, the bonus questions level is the same as the actual paper. So, and when I went to give my exam, I actually figured out that is true. I got 11 of my 12 questions right in the first attempt.
Okay.
So that really helped me boost my score.
At what time did you understand कि hey, I should attempt all the questions and I should target for the bonus questions?
Around 2 hours पे मुझे पता चल गया था, 2 hours 15 minutes पे कि बाकी questions मेरे remaining आधे घंटे में हो जाएंगे and I can leave 15 minutes for my bonus questions. 17 to 18 minutes was the perfect amount of time that I required, जितने मैंने mocks में देखे थे, to give for my bonus questions. And उस point पे मैंने बीच में कुछ questions छोड़ रखे थे जो मुझे like पता ही नहीं चल रहा था उसमें लगाना क्या है, but they were like so few, like around I think 8 to 10 questions must be there बीच में ही जो नहीं आते थे. तो then I thought that इनको I'll तुक्का मार के I'll go for the bonus questions.
So did it benefit you to answer the bonus questions?
Definitely. If I wouldn't have answered the bonus questions, I would have gotten -30, -35 from my actual score.
Okay.
So,
Got it.
because it's all about the marks at the end, not the questions that you attempt or how many negatives you got.
Correct.
It's about how can you maximize your
Got it.
marks.
तो just to unlock the bonus question, क्या तुमने कोई तुक्का मारा था, कोई guesses वगैरह किए थे?
मारे थे मैंने.
मारे
I
थे.
think 12-13 guesses तो मारे थे मैंने लास्ट में आते आते. मैंने बाकी सारे अटेम्प्ट कर लिए थे या फिर बिल्कुल कैलकुलेटेड तुक्के मार लिए थे जो आई वाज लाइक काइंड ऑफ श्योर कि हो जाएंगे सही.
ठीक.
बट बाकी 10-12 क्वेश्चन मुझे लाइक आते ही नहीं थे. तो आई हैड अ फ्यू मिनट्स लेफ्ट. आई हैड आई थिंक 25 मिनट्स लेफ्ट एट द एंड. तो 5 to 7 minutes मैंने उन्हीं पे लगाए थे कि अगर कोई हो जाए. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट आई वेंट टू द बोनस.
ठीक है. So a lot of people actually compare the level of JEE with BITSAT and people say that BITSAT is very easy as compared to JEE. अगर तुम JEE कर लोगे तो तुम्हारा BITSAT हो ही जाएगा and all that. So what do you think? Like let's compare physics, chemistry, maths individually, JEE versus BITSAT. The difficulty of the paper. What do you have to say about it?
Okay, so I'll start with maths first. Maths, JEE was I found it to be very difficult because जो उसके क्वेश्चन का जितना लेंथ होता था ना वो मैं कॉम्प्रहेंड ही नहीं कर पाता था आंसर कि हाउ एम आई सपोज टू गिव 7 to 8 minutes to this one question which might or might not come out to be the answer, like -1 भी मिल सकता है उस 10 मिनट लगाने का. मेरे JEE means attempt 1 में मुझे याद है कि I started with physics, then chemistry, then math, and math के मैंने numericals पहले attempt किए थे, and उस 10 numericals में I had to attempt 5, and I still remember I had spent a lot of time on those 5 जिसमें से मुझसे बस एक ही निकला था. तो उस एक में I got that +4, बाकी में I left because I didn't have an option. And then मैं MCQs पे बढ़ा था, and after the exam I realized that MCQs were actually easier. So if I had started with the MCQs, then BitSat Maths is slightly easier compared to JEE Mains. Time नहीं लगता इतना ज़्यादा bits के maths को करने में, क्योंकि उनके बहुत point based questions होते हैं कि शॉर्ट स्टेप्स में 3-4 स्टेप्स में वो आंसर निकल जाता है, या फिर इट्स आइदर फॉर्मूला बेस्ड आल्सो. तो JEE मेंस की तरह इट्स नॉट कि बहुत लंबा प्रोसीजर करना पड़ता है एंड देन लास्ट में आंसर एंड देन देयर इज अ चांस की कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक भी हो. तो बिट्स में इतना वो चांस नहीं होता, वो रिड्यूस हो जाता है, टेक्स लेसर टाइम एंड इट्स कंपैरेटिवली स्लाइटली इजियर देन JEE मेंस मैथ्स. For chemistry, I would say for both bits and JEE, just do the NCERT, अच्छे से रट लो, पूरी NCERT रट लो. 11th की दोनों पार्ट्स, 12th की दोनों पार्ट्स अच्छे से करके चले, अच्छे से बाय हार्ट हो जाना चाहिए वो. एंड बिट्स केमिस्ट्री और JEE मेंस केमिस्ट्री का पैटर्न थोड़ा अलग था, ऑल्दो लेवल वाज सिमिलर. तो फॉर JEE मेंस मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर NCERT बेस्ड, बट बिट्स में कुछ क्वेश्चंस थोड़े रैंडम आ जाते हैं, सो यू हैव टू फिगर कौन से रैंडम क्वेश्चंस हैं, कौन से वो स्किप करने हैं तुम्हें, बिकॉज उसके आंसर्स मतलब नहीं होते एक तरीके से. देयर आर लाइक तुम अपने नॉलेज से ही वो कर सकते हो, बट इट्स हार्ड टू फिगर आउट व्हाट द आंसर इज.
So basically they are like obstacles
होते हैं.
like BitSat tries to put ऐसे googly in your way, so that you tend to waste time. But I think someone who has given a lot of mocks, someone who's actually well versed with the BitSat pattern, they will rather keep those questions for the end and focus more on what they know.
Right. Physics के लिए भी सेम कि for bits थोड़े गूगलीज होते हैं, थोड़े बहुत लंबे क्वेश्चंस देते हैं वो जो मुश्किल होते हैं. यू हैव टू नो व्हिच वंस टू स्किप एंड गो फॉरवर्ड, एंड देन एंड में वापस आ सकते हो उस क्वेश्चन पे. इट्स फाइन, स्पेंड दोस 4-5 minutes if you have that much of time, बट स्टार्टिंग में उस पे अड़े मत रहो कि आगे जाना ही नहीं है, एंड देन यू गेट प्रेशराइज्ड एज द एग्जाम प्रोग्रेसेस. फॉर JEE मेंस फिजिक्स वाज नॉट दैट फॉर्मूला बेस्ड. BitSat में फॉर्मूला बेस्ड आता है बिल्कुल, F = ma, F दिया होता है, A दिया होता है, M निकाल लो, वैसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन दे देते हैं एक दो. JEE के लिए इट्स मोर कि यू हैव टू अप्लाई योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स, एंड जो क्लास थ्योरी में पढ़ाया होता है उतने लेवल तक का आ जाता है.
ठीक है शेष, बहुत अच्छा बात करके. इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद योर जूनियर्स जो प्रॉब्ली अगले साल बिट्स गोवा में आएंगे एंड दे विल बी लाइक, हे आई वॉच्ड यू ऑन यूट्यूब?
I would just say that you have a lot of time, so just don't give up, just don't miss a single day. Keep doing something every day, work till you've done whatever you've planned for the day, and just keep working hard till the end.